Well, hi everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. 1 second, guys, let me adjust the camera first. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is the situationship reading. Sorry for the delay. This is the reading for Cancerians. Okay, related to career or relationship. Okay, the situation is currently going on with you related to career or relationship. Okay, and also one more thing, guys. Okay, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for one-on-one tarot reading sessions with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to enroll for 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so it's a situationship reading, guys. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, sorry for the delay for uploading it. Okay, because I was just fully packed up. Okay, so yeah, if you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets in India, please check out in the description box below. Okay, let's check it out. You are feeling lonely, Cancerians. You are feeling isolated. You feel that you want someone. You have that loneliness. Okay, you cry sometimes when you are alone. Okay, and that loneliness is creating a chaos into your head. Okay, so yeah, you're asking a lot of questions nowadays with yourself. Okay, you're going through some major spiritual awakening, realizations, and understanding about the people around you or the situation around you. Okay, you are just being into a rebellious mode. You are defending yourself a lot according to the situations or people. There's endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, yes, you are a very playful energy. You are just very much understanding, participative. Okay, and very joyful energy generally. Okay, but this ending or this realizations or this spiritual awakening is bringing a chaos into your life. Why? Because you are understanding a lot of realization about yourself, about the people around you, about the environment around you. Okay, so yeah, wow, your perception will not match with everyone around you. Okay, you need to understand that you are going through some major healing. Okay, wow, you feel that you are carrying a lot of burden and a baggage of a long term commitment or a situation. Okay, you feel sad. You feel you are into a sorrow mode, like you are very sad from inside. You are very there's a wish fulfillment which is not coming true, so that is creating a chaos into your life. Okay, you are longing for change. You want some major changes into your life. You want a major change. You are going through some major spiritual awakening. That means your third eye chakra is opening, Cancerians, which is very good. Okay, now you are no more going to handle toxic people, toxic situations, or manipulative people around you. Okay, you are just going with the flow, keeping the all the patience. Okay, for yourself. Okay, your third eye chakra is opening. Okay, yes, yes, there is you are just waiting for a lot of celebration, reunion, reconciliation, thinking, reconciliation and reunion in the sense not with your ultimate partner or with with your friends. You are into a party mode wala person. If you are converting your passion into profession, no, it will yield you good results, good financial results. Okay, so whatever your hobby is, convert it into your profession. That will give you more results and more money. It will yield for you. Okay, you are just going with the flow. You are just being patient enough. You are just going through a lot of silence thing. Okay, you are waiting for a major sort of abundance into your life. Wow, karmic cycle is ending. Karmic things are ending, karmic people are ending, and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, which is very good. Okay, that's awesome. Nice. Wow, let's check it out. What are the main tarot cards are saying to you, Cancerians? Okay, isn't the background is much better? Okay, you are waiting. Karmic cycle is ending, like this month it will end. Okay, and you're waiting your sorrow, your tensions, or your stress to end. Okay, but it will take a little bit of time. It will end soon. Okay, you're going through some major sleepless nights, anxiety issues, tensions, worries, a lot of anxiety you're going through. Okay, that's the thing. Okay. Okay, so you are very impatient energy. Okay, you need to reach out to someone or someone reach out to you. Okay, so yes, you are just no more in a situation to just wait and watch. You want to take action towards someone or something. Now this is a situationship reading, like this situation is going on currently with you, either into career or relationship. Okay, so yeah, now you are before, in the past, you were guarding your walls up. You created a boundary around you, like no one can enter into my space or into my zone. Okay, but now you are more of an active person, socializing a lot with new people, new energies, and now you are ready for socializing. Okay, okay, so there's a major offer you are waiting for, major project you are waiting for, but that project is coming and going. Okay, like it's making a u-turn, it's not coming towards you exactly. Okay, like it's coming but it's making a u-turn on going. It might be related to business or a job as well, like thinking of switching up of a new job, or thinking about starting a new business, or making changes into the existing business, or waiting for a project to come into a business major, which will give you more financial life. Okay, but that offer is coming and going, making a u-turn and going. Okay, that's the problem. Like this month it won't be possible for you. This month it's like you have a very impatient energy. You are waiting for a new beginning, which is not happening. New beginning is stuck. Okay, new beginning related to a situation or a career or relationship. Okay, there is a problem going on between head and heart, like a big conflict is going on between head and heart. Head is saying something else, heart space is saying something else, right? So it's like that. Wow, you feel that you want to move on from a certain situation, you want to leave the past behind and you want to move on from a situation. Okay, but it takes time. You are ready, you have moved on from the situation, but not fully. It's like that, half. Okay, like 50-50%. Okay, you still need to work on yourself for moving on from the past energies or past pain or past experiences. Okay, you haven't healed completely yet, which you need to go for. Before you were very emotional, but now you are taking decision from your mind. Okay, like you are very practical into a situation. Okay, okay, so you are walking away from fights, problems, dishonest people, toxic people. Like you are just like, stay away, dude. Okay, it's like that, because the things or the people or the toxic situations that disappoints you a lot, you stay away from those energies. It's like that. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you feel sad, like you there is a problem for you to move on. You feel sad by thinking about the past, whatever happened in the past that disappoints you a lot, and you feel depressed, sad and tensed. Okay, you feel weak in a situation, Cancerians. Okay, you are waiting for abundance. Okay, and abundance will be coming after 1 or 2 months. Okay, not now. Okay, like within next 10 months you will get a lot of abundance and major changes. Okay, you feel that your father is dominating, or there is some dominating energy around you. Okay, so or you want to reach to a dominant position. Okay, if you want to reach to a good dominant position or a powerful position or a leadership position, it will it will take minimum of 4 months from you. Like leave March, April, May, June, July. After July you will reach to a dominant or a powerful positions. Let's check it out, the what are the universal messages for you guys. Okay, so yeah, for the month of March. Okay, okay, the first universal message is this one, guys. Okay, the first universal message is, my fearless freedom lights up the world. Wow. The second universal message for you guys is that I witness the darkness and call on the light with my prayer. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. The third universal message is, true healing occurs when I give myself permission to feel whatever feelings live below the triggers. So accept your feelings, and yeah, you need to accept your feelings, and then you need to heal from your that situation or your feelings. Okay, you need to understand how to overcome it. Okay. The last spiritual message or universal message is, I surrender to a power greater than me. That means the divine source, that is universe. Okay, that's really good. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading, Cancerians. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Bye bye, take care, see you, and yeah, bye bye.